News that we are breaking to you. Supreme Court has stayed the acquittal of a person under POCSO by the Nagpur bench earlier of the Bombay High Court. Remember, the High Court had said that if there was no skin-to-skin contact, it was not a case of sexual assault and cannot be prosecuted under POCSO. Now the Attorney General has argued in court, saying that the High Court order was disturbing and will set a dangerous precedent. Attorney General also mentioned before the CJI that the centre will file a petition in Supreme Court tomorrow challenging the High Court order. Let me go across to Meenakshi Bhanja to help us understand this particular stay on the acquittal of the Nagpur bench order of the Bombay High Court. Yes, Meenakshi, over to you. This is an important development. Of course, it had raised a lot of debate and discussion over this entire issue on whether skin-to-skin contact comes under the purview of sexual assault or not. Tell us, what has the top court said?
Well, the very fact that the Supreme Court has had to be approached and the Supreme Court has intervened immediately will explain to our viewers the gravity of the situation. Why today the top law officer of the Government of India, the Attorney General, specifically mentioned the matter before the Honorable Chief Justice of India. He went on to state, like you rightly mentioned, that the central government will move tomorrow, the Supreme Court, against this recent skin-to-skin judgment of the Bombay High Court, as per which groping a child's breast without skin-to-skin contact would not amount to sexual assault under POCSO. This is deeply disturbing, according to the central government, and they urge for the Supreme Court to intervene immediately, because of which the court has intervened. The Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court had passed this order of acquitting an accused on the 19th of January. That acquittal has been stayed by the Supreme Court, and also the Supreme Court has gone ahead and sought responses of the accused in this case, alongside responses from the government of Maharashtra as well. But clearly, the argument of the central government that this is an order which cannot be allowed to be in its shape and form as was passed by the Bombay High Court for even another extra minute has found resonance with the Supreme Court, where the attorney has said today clearly that this is an order which has great potential to set a dangerous precedent.
All right. Of course, this would set a dangerous precedent, is what the Attorney General has said, and we'll now have to wait for further movement of this case, and how things shape up further will, of course, have huge repercussions. Thanks for joining us, Meenakshi, with the latest.